Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a clean cloth and some compressed air for internal cleaning. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the mains to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust container and filter. This will give you access to the motor compartment. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the top cover is removed, you will see the motor assembly. Carefully disconnect the motor wires by gently pulling them off the terminals. It's important to take note of where each wire connects, so consider taking a photo for reference. Now, using your spanner, unscrew the bolts that hold the motor in place. There are typically 4 bolts securing the motor. After removing these, you can lift the motor out of the compartment. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of the vacuum. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you prefer not to tackle this yourself. Now, take your new motor and position it in the compartment. Secure it with the bolts you previously removed, ensuring it is tightly fastened. Reconnect the motor wires to their respective terminals, referring to the photo you took earlier to ensure correct placement. Once the motor is securely in place, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the top cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws to avoid any misalignment. After reassembling, it's crucial to test the vacuum cleaner. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Finally, remember to clean the dust container and filter before using the vacuum again. This will ensure optimal performance and longevity of your appliance. If you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring you know the costs up front without any surprises. With these steps, you should now have a fully functioning Rowenta RS2230 vacuum cleaner, ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.